Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Okay, press
Yeah.
So why is it?
Hold on. Are you there? Hey.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
So why is it?
Hold on. Are you there, Napo?
You've been away for some time.
Been away for a while.
I was on vacation.
Okay, sir. Now you are here. The house is in recess. Can you?
Which house?
So we get
Well, as you rightly said, I'm here. So as I'm here, it simply means the house is on.
Well, sir, on social media, we have it information flowing that you barged into this premises.
Confirm it now.
So we're trying to confirm from you. Can you tell us exactly?
So what are you implying? Are you saying that I broke it or I broke the door to get access? Is that what you are saying?
I don't know.
So
sir.
I go and confirm now. If you have had, then confirm from your source. He will do what?
Yeah.
Allege. Will do what?
Must prove.
So you are back. Have you been reinstated? Are you back now?
I've told you repeatedly, I've never been removed. There's nothing like impeachment. So I don't know what you are saying. I've said this openly.
Sir.
That everybody, remove, what is it called? Impeachment or whatever, or removing is all democratic and constitutional. But in doing that, to achieve that, you must follow the due process. Nobody is against. I'm not against being removed. If I do that, then I'm not democratic. But all we are saying, let us go through the normal process and achieve that. So if we do, fine. That's just, I'm not against anybody. I don't have anything against anybody. All my colleagues, they've always been my brother. They have always been loyal. They've been dedicated. A strong commitment to serve the people of Lagos. I will continue to do that together. For me, I have no reservation, nothing against anybody, and no intention of victimization. So
Okay, so
you took the house to the court.
What is the case about? What is the case about?
About
your removal.
No, I don't have anything like that.
Okay, sir, are you not disturbed that currently members of the party, they are now being pitched against one another over this crisis?
No, our party is one. We are all brothers and sisters.
But we just had
it's a family party. Everybody is entitled to his or her. Thank you.
So what's next?
Obasa.